Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today in this video I am telling about you what is Verizon Wireless customer service. Verizon Wireless customer service is dedicated to providing support and assistance to individual and business using Verizon mobile services. Here are detailed overview of key aspects related to Verizon Wireless customer service. Customer support channel. Verizon Wireless offers multiple channels for customer support including phone support, online chat, email and self-service option through the official website and mobile app. This provides users with flexibility in choosing the most convenient method for their inquiries or issues. 24/7 availability. Recognizing the importance of mobile services, Verizon Wireless typically provides 24/7 customer support. This ensures user can seek assistance at any time, particularly crucial for addressing urgent matter, technical problem or billing inquiries outside standard business hours. Technical support. Verizon Wireless customer service assists users with technical issues related to their mobile devices, network connectivity and services, whether it troubleshooting phone problem, addressing network coverage concern or resolving data connection issues. The support team are equipped to help. Billing and account management. Customer services assists user with billing inquiries, plan changes and general account management. This includes clarifying charges, helping users understand their bill and providing guidance on optimizing their mobile plans based on usage pattern. Device support. User can reach out to Verizon Wireless customer services for help with device related matter. This may involve setting up new devices, troubleshooting software or hardware issues, and getting assistance with device upgrade or replacement. International support. For user traveling internationally, Verizon Wireless customer service can provide information and support related to international roaming plans and ensuring seamless connectivity while abroad. Educational resources. Verizon often provides users with access to the educational resources such as FAQs, tutorial and user guide. These resources empower users to troubleshooting common issues independently and make informed decisions about their mobile services. Guys, if you like my video then please also subscribe my channel. Guys, thank you for watching my video.